Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, I see very small little chips. So let's move on to the hood of the car. Okay, the hood looks fine. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in good condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look good. I do not see any dents or scratches. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the back of the SUV. Okay, back here, the truck is in excellent condition. Also, the back bumper looks good as well. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger side doors. The front and back door are in excellent condition. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panels. Excellent. I do not see any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Okay, that seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. Now let's move on to the back seat. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.